Record there. We made it to the train. Shit is abandoned. We got Mr. Redneck and Mr. Australian here with us. Ooh. Okay, yeah, it goes so far back. Show them the front, Michael. Shine the light on that. It's like a little cellar down there.
Tools below. That's where they kept their tools and shit.
Tools below.
Right.
You want to steal some chain?
Steal some. That was loud. Go down. Keep going down.
Someone rolled up here.
Someone was using blunts.
Some drinking, some cans.
This is a drinking spot. This was a train that was used in 1984. Shine some light down there, boys.
You guys are fucking a bitch in this train.
Dude, you boys coming down? The rednecks are rummaging again. Is that what I hear?
Get some W40, man. You can fucking get it open like no worries. No worries.
We've showed up at the passenger trains. Enter on in. Here, go down this way. Look at the rednecks rummaging for their fucking copper. Copper. All they see is copper. There's a Satan ritual right there. The graffiti in this is absolutely bonkers. All right, someone lead that way. I'm a bitch. Dude, it's so scary. Just wait. Again? That is so fucking scary. This is some scary, spooky.
This is fucking eerie, man.
Can you continue? Another box full of some odd copper that the rednecks want.
Oh yeah, I saw a couple of those. Yeah, look at
Boys.
how much that is, dude.
The cursed.
Fuck cops. I disagree with that one.
Harry's chugging the fucking whiskey or whatever he brought you. Smoke weed. Try acid. Holy shit. This is...
The whole side.
This is so fucking spooky, bro.
This is some sick. Whoever D is, I want to meet this guy.
Yeah, that's what you is. All right, walk in. Bye.
Boy.
What? Oh!
Don't give off gas, Harry.
And that was loud as fuck. Do it again. The light bulb. Oh, what is this? This is like the private, like, cabin. No, shine the light right here, somebody. Look at all these switches.
Yeah, there's a nest in there.
Alvin.
Johnny Sins!
If you need a doctor's appointment, you know who to go to.
I'm not I'm just looking.
Just inspecting.
Inspecting. I'm an inspector.
Inspector Gadget. This one's like regular. I think you get a green one right here. Some fancy shit.
Oh, some fancy fluorescent that you can break.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking. Oh, somebody tried. Oh, that's so rusty. I can't get that one. Can I get this guy?
See, dude, look at this green one. I don't know why, but this one's like fancy, dude. You see that one?
Yeah.
It's like...
That's trade belligerence. Bad dog.
Jesus. Hang on. Where's the camera bag? I got it, never mind. Oh, God. Yo, did we just find the holy grail jackpot right here?
Those look like copper.
Those are batteries, dude.
They might be. Yeah, wasn't this?
It was a straight battery.
Look how happy these rednecks are that we found fucking...
Come back with basic ass tools.
Dude, batteries around. You know what we can do with them?
What can we do?
Dude, a lot.
A lot.
That's probably 100 pounds a piece.
Scrap that for materials, man.
Dude, look how happy the Australian is.
Dude, look at this shit. Someone took his shit. Someone took his shit. It just did not flow. Dude, look at this shit. This is a fucking apron or whatever.
It gets aprons and like shirts. Is this someone's like?
Dude, Harry's just gonna find drugs. Harry, there's like rope. Look, no, keep pulling.
I'm waiting for the drugs and I just don't find them.
I don't think this is drugs.
Okay, we found some homo's pocket pussy.
It's going. It's going.
Okay, Harry, show the camera. The pocket pussy. Holy. What the fuck, dude?
Flammable gel, bro.
Posse pocket.
This man is fucking just breaking everything.
Are you using my flashlight?
Maybe.
There's so much shit here.
Fuck yeah. What the hell is this, dude? Look at this.
It's a fucking bracket for a seat.
Oh,
Thanks, bro.
Headphones will use it.
Be loud. You found Rich!
it's cracked.
Shut the light on this man. Shut the light on this man. Dude, eat what?
Content.
Content.
Dude, don't nut it on this shit. Dude, feed the animals. Buddy. Punch you that dog.
A little soggy? We're coming to the end. Look at this. For sex only. Come in 30 seconds or you're gay.
This is a big bathroom.
Shine a light in there. Bro.
Echo.
Echo. Here, you can spray.
Climb down?
No.
There's no way out.
Should you climb down, bro? There's no way out. Why didn't we bring the bong? Wait, no, do not shut it on us. Harry. Wait, what are you writing? I was here. Dude, what is this? Look at this kid. Oh, dude, only the Australians. I'm trapped. Day 137. Day 137 or 4, whatever.